I don't think you're very happy right now. I think you pretend to be. I think you're telling everyone in your life that you're fine, but I know that when you get home at night, when you lock that bathroom door and you stare into that mirror at yourself, all you see is a very, very sad pair of eyes staring back at you. I think you're lying to everyone around you, your family and your friends, because you don't want to open up and tell them how broken you are. You don't want the pity stares, the tight hugs. You don't want to go back to therapy. But you know that you need to. You know that you're not doing well right now, and I wish I could make it easier for you, but I can't. You have to tell everyone that you're not doing okay again. You have to be honest. Because you're struggling. You're not happy. Are you?